Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quez. To tell you in this tutorials how to roll back or downgrade iOS from iOS 26. Yes, if your iPhone is not recommending to a downgrade, then what's the strategy and how do you, especially without data loss, how do you downgrade? If you want to jailbreak 4 by passing off iCloud activation log links, also in that conditions, how do you install unsigned IPSW from signed IPSW? We will see in these tutorials. So firstly guys, I would like to show you here. Let's see. Firstly here we will tap on a setting and we will check it out manually that is it recommending to downgrade or not. If it is not, then we will go with the alternative options without losing any data, of course. If you would like to install unsigned IPSW, this can be also. So rollbacks and downgrading iOS is very easy. Now how it is by these techniques we will see here. The firstly tap in a general to, of course we will go in a software update and let's check it out. It's essential that up to date. If we go for the more detail, then of course you can have these kind of the things. Now we don't have. So in that condition what we will do guys here, we don't have any options. Now see, if I go on especially this is a developer beta, but if you go on automatics, then see there is no options to a downgrades. Then that condition, how would I? Yes, this can be the possible guys. Just we will go for an administration. That's a 3U tool, connect your data cable and report. Of course now this device has been connected, so just we will click on a smart flash. A smart flash too, of course we will come in a firmware, and by tapping on the firmware we will have to wait here. Now see, latest one is a version that is 18.6 green dot. This is an 20.6 and this is a 18.5 this normal. Of course for these all are signed version. Here we can go for 18.5s, this one also, but these all are green dot, these all are signed IPSW. So right now of course we will come with the especially signed IPSW, but of course if you would like to install or especially downgrade unsigned IPSW, it is here, green dot is not given here, so anyone out of them, so of course you can download and just by some modification in IPSW that it will accept especially this in a cloud as well as especially in a Apple database server. Not required in cloud, but most probably in a Apple database server it has a especially confessed that it is acceptable data, then of course easily can be by some modifications, especially in IPSW it's very easy to install. So right now of course unsigned IPSW, suppose I would like to go on a especially 17.7, and then simply we will start to download, then we will go for further. Right now for time saving, especially I would like to switch from especially I'm downgrade from 26 iOS to directly we would like to jump on a 18.5. so 18.5, how would I go? Simply we will click on a smart flash to easy flash to here we have a downloaded. If we go for refresh options, then see here it's a recommending. But if we would like to talk about the beta version also, that we can approach. This is especially let me have here. Here is especially this is a 26. Now we would like to come on here, but if we go on the beta version, there is also 18.6 beta version, but we would like to go with the here. So without losing any data, how would I go? Yes, this can be very easy guys here. And firstly we will enable it automatics, then of course here if it is enables, then of course we will come on a developer. In developer there, if we off here, see, if we are going to off this developer, then we will be able to of course come on here on a automatics. Here is not a coming, so now we will once again come on a beta and let's select this developer because we don't have the further more options. Now here what we will do guys, on here 18.6 and 18.5s, so we will approach this one. Here we will have to select the retain user data. Retain user data means all the apps and application would be retained, and there will be no losing any data. Will be easy to downgrade. How it is possible? Now we will go for here options to the flash. So if we click on a flash, then what will happen, guys? Here directly we will hit this one, and if we hit this one, so then it will start to a downgrade easy way. So it will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes, guys, for show. This is all about after hitting, so especially it will be a downgraded from say developer beta 26 to especially or beta 26 to iOS especially on 18.5. When we have the list on the 18.5, so then of course we will have the further opportunity that 18.3, 80 especially M2 maybe. And if you would like to go on a below 17, then unsigned IPSW. So unsigned IPSW, if any error will come, then of course after downloadings, just raise the comment below the comment box. We will give you some clue, but to especially to modify especially a little bit changes, and you will be able to easily by a similar strategy you will be able to. So now right now just we are going to especially install. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Here we will have to go for yes. So thank you very much indeed, guys. Have a great time. Bye.